Most asset-based lending, they're gonna look at your credit and your financials, but they're also gonna look at the deal, so your credit and your financials is not exactly the determining factor on whether or not they fund the deal. Hard money lenders, is relationship-based and deal-based, so your credit and your financials is not a determining factor at all. Not all hard money lenders are like that, but most are. The pros of these types of lenders is they can close quick, so it's almost the same as cash. You can close in less than a week. I've had hard money lenders that closed in 24 hours. Also, the fact that you don't have to use all of your own capital when you're purchasing deals. The con is their high interest. So asset-based lenders and hard money lenders in most cases are going to be anywhere from 8 to 13% interest. And it's short term, meaning you've got 3 to 6 months to be able to refinance the deal if you're buying a property that you're planning on holding as a rental property, or selling the deal if you're using the money to actually do a flip with. Regardless, whenever you're using the BRRRR method, you want to have these types of lenders in your pocket so that if you don't have the capital to take down your own deals, you can use these guys. So if you like informational videos like this, give me a follow. Let's go.